Hi everyone, this is for web design class. Okay, so I had just recorded another video and that for some reason didn't save, so this is round number 2 of recording a video to check in on April 5th, which is Sunday, a couple of days before April 7th, which is when classes will begin again through remote learning. So first off, I hope that everybody's good and staying safe, hanging in there considering the COVID circumstances. And just make sure that you're acting smartly. Hopefully you might have gotten a new hobby or activity during this time. This is where I'll be conducting a lot of the lectures and meetings. So first things first, just want to let you know that due to us not being in class, we are not going to be able to work with Adobe Animate anymore because we can't use those licenses from home. So what we'll be doing for at least until April 30th, which is, how it will be right now officially until, classes might resume in person come May. But as of right now, we'll be focusing more on web projects, web design projects, and a little bit on a Photoshop workaround, a tool called Pixlr. Okay, so just want to share my screen really fast and I'll show you what the calendar is looking like. Okay, so just give me 1 second so that I can get the right screen on there. So let's just make sure that it's this one and share. So you should be seeing my screen right now, and I'll be going over to our web design page. Okay, you could see that I posted an assignment already, which will be due tentatively on the 12th. Okay, and then this is how the rest of the class is going to look. Okay, so come early next week, Tuesday, but if you want to get started on it earlier, your first assignment, since we've been back from home, working remotely, is going to be to post your own blog. So you could post about, how coronavirus has affected you, or any subject matter that you'd like. Okay. So if you already have a website, you just adding a blog to it and sending the blog link to it. If you made a website for your main project that was about blogs, that consisted of a few blogs, then you would just be adding another blog to that. Okay, and there will be just very loose requirements. So send me the link to that, or if there's a technical issue, just send me the text over to your blog. Okay, that you would have there. Assuming that there aren't any technical difficulties. Okay, and any questions on this, just email me. How it's looking for Fridays, this Friday, as in the 10th, there's not going to be any school, so don't worry about that day. And then the following week and every week after that on Friday, there's going to be teacher planning days / feedback days when I'm grading projects, and office hours in case you want to, if you have any questions, if you want to talk to me. So I'll be doing it on Zoom, or if you want to do a phone call, just let me know, or emails are fine anytime. Or if you want to meet any reasonable time too, that's fine. Okay, so the rest of the semester, here's how it's looking so far, and this is all tentative. This is just to give you a guide or a heads up of what to expect. The week after that, I'll be talking about tags on the blog that you've made. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to be talking the following week. I'm going to be talking about Space Jam, and there will be a little research project for you to do about researching 3 different websites, their histories, their story behind them. So, for example, Amazon, what was the main story? How did that start? Was it originally about books, selling books, or was it something more than that? And how has Amazon evolved since then? So maybe about a paragraph or so with sources for that. And as it comes closer to the time, we'll be more in touch on that. And then last week of April, this is how it's looking. I'll be doing a Pixlr which is a Photoshop workaround, an online program that's free and that you don't need an account for, something that I played around with a little bit. You'd be learning how to use that. And then there would be a project on making a picture, editing a picture of somewhere you'd like to go for a vacation one day. Okay. And then May, we'll have to see how things go for May, but May would also be a lot of pixel work. Okay, so it could be something like making a meme project for one week, making an ad project for next week, and then there would be a final project, come the last week and a half or so of May. So right now, I hope that everyone's doing okay. Just hang in there. Any projects that you didn't submit, please get those in as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, concerns, problems, just want to talk, let me know, and we could, of course, be in touch through email, or we can do a Zoom call like this. Okay, so again, I hope everyone's doing okay. Hang in there, considering the circumstances, and we'll be in touch. Keep your eyes open for your email, and keep checking your Google Classroom from not just me, but from your other teachers too. Okay, so how do people say it these days? They say hashtag alone together. So hang in there, everybody. Take care.